Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this 40V brushless lawnmower for reviewing purposes. It's a lawnmower that uses batteries to operate, which I think that it's really nice. It has a 16-inch cutting size and a 6-position height adjustment, which I think that it's nice. This is the grass box with a 40 liters capacity for all your grass that you're gonna cut, which I think that it's really nice. It folds itself, so it's easy to storage. We get some USB-A to Type-C charging cables for the batteries that can double as a power bank for your different devices, which I think that it's really nice. As you can see, they're really compact. We have the instruction of the batteries, and we also get the instructions of this lawnmower, which I think that it's really great. We also have the main unit that you can also fold for a very easy installation. You can also select the angle of the handlebars, which I think that it's great because that way you can set it up for your favorite position and be more comfortable while you're cutting your grass. Once that you have the main unit all assembled up, you just have to select the angle, as I've said, and once that we have it ready, we can just place in both of the batteries to set it up. As you can see, when we press this button, we can see the charge of each one of them. And we're going to open this tab right here and insert them, both of them. They make a click, so that way you know it's secured. And you have the option to pop them out with a button. Once that we have it ready, we're going to open this tab right here. And this is where we're going to place the grass bag. And now we can control it right here. We have to first press the button. On this side, we have the adjustment. We have 6 adjustments to select with, which I think that it's nice. So let's go ahead outside and test it out. Come on, guys. When we are ready to use it, we're going to press the button, take the lever, and we can start mowing our grass, which I think that it's really nice. As I've said, it has a 16-inch cutting size, and the brushless motor, it's really nice because it has some good regulation. It doesn't make that much sound, which I think that it's really nice, and it has a high performance with a nice power. Perfect for your garden, your house, wherever you want to use it, which I think that it's really nice. With selection of the height, I think that it's great because that way we can select how much grass we're gonna cut it or at which height we want it, which I think that it's really nice. Once that we have it already cut up, we can turn off the proper lawnmower, and we're gonna take out the grass bag with all the grass that it has collected by mowing your grass, which I think that it's really nice because you can see it cuts a lot of grass, and overall I think that it's really nice and I would really recommend it.